Today I will share a simple trading principle, 3 filters before entry that I use on Olymp Trade. If you can't say in 5 seconds whether you are looking at an impulse, a pullback or a range, you are not seeing the market yet. You are seeing noise. Most beginners' mistakes come from trading in the middle of nowhere. Entering without confirmation is a bet. A label without a reaction is just a line. Hey friends, Arjun here. When I first started, I had one big problem. I entered trades way too easily. I would open the platform, see a move and click. Then again. And by the end of the day, I felt like I did something. But in reality, I was just tired, stressed and confused about why my results were all over the place. And here is what I realized over the years. It's not the market that breaks beginners. Beginners break because they have no filters. The market will always give you a reason to enter. The question is, it a real reason or an illusion? Today I will share a simple trading principle, 3 filters before entry that I use on Olymp Trade. That they won't make you a genius, but they will make you more consistent. If you want more breakdowns like this and useful info, check my Telegram, link in the description. Let's go. Filter 1. Market state impulse. Pullback or sideways, the first thing I look at is the market's current state, because the same signal behaves different in different conditions. Impulse, candle push is strongly in one direction, pullbacks are short. The logic is simple. Don't invent a reversal. Trade with the move. Pullback. Market retraces against the main move. This is where many people mess up. They think it's a new trend when it's often just a pause. Sideways, price move back and forth, candles are small, lots of wicks. This is 80% emotion and 20% meaning. If you can't trade ranges, don't force it. If you can't say in 5 seconds whether you are looking at an impulse, a pullback or a range, you are not seeing the market yet. You are seeing noise. Filter 2. Location, where price is right now. The second filter is location. Most beginners' mistakes come from trading in the middle of nowhere. I ask myself, is price at the edge or in the center? An edge is where the market usually makes decision. A local high, a local low. A zone where price has reacted before. The center is when price is just floating around. You can find a pattern. There is no matter what you want to believe, but it will be weak. A lot of people trade the middle and then wonder, why don't I understand the market? Because in the middle, the market doesn't know where it wants to go either. Filter 3. Confirmation. Who is actually stronger right now? And the third filter is the most important. Confirmation. Not I feel like it. Not it's definitely going to go. Confirmation in facts. If I want to go up, I want to see sellers failing. Candle stops failing. Lower wicks show buying. Price holds a label. If I want to go down, I want to see buyers trading. The rise slows. Upper wick appear. Price fails to hold above. The biggest beginner mistake, they see a label and enter immediately. But a label is only a point of attention. Entering without confirmation is a bet. A label without a reaction is just a line. The reaction is what makes that line tradable. How to use these filters in practice. Here is the mini algorithm before any trades on Olymp Trade. Market state, impulse, pullback, range, location, edge or middle. Confirmation, who is stronger based on candles. If 2 out of 3 don't match, there is no trade. And that's not weakness, that's professionalism. If I could go back and give advice to my beginner self, I would say this: don't try to take more trades, try to take fewer but better ones. These 3 filters don't guarantee every trade will be a win, but they guarantee something else. You stop trading chaos and consistency starts right there. With the ability to not enter when the market hasn't give you the condition. If you want more educational breakdowns and useful info, check my Telegram, link in the description. Subscribe and remember, money in the market isn't made by those who rush. It's made by those who filter.